Hello everyone, in this video lesson I am going to present must known 1000 English sentences. Let's begin. The front tire of the bike is punctured. बाइकको अगाडिको टायर पञ्चर भएको छ. The hardcover edition is much more expensive. हार्डकभर संस्करण धेरै महँगो छ. The house was on fire. त्यो घरमा आगो लाग्यो. The list is quite long. सूची एकदम लामो छ. The matter has become serious. कुरा गम्भीर भइसकेको छ. The meeting continued for 5 hours. बैठक 5 घण्टासम्म जारी रह्यो. The movie has been declared a mega hit. चलचित्र मेगा हिट घोषित भइसकेको छ. The phone is ringing. फोन बजिरहेको छ. The road is closed for repairs. सडक मर्मतका लागि बन्द छ. The road is under repairing. सडक मर्मत भइरहेको छ. The skin of my hands is wrinkled. मेरो हातको छाला चाउरिएका छन्. The plane is late by 2 hours. हवाईजहाज 2 घण्टा ढिलो छ. The watch was repaired. घडी मर्मत गरिएको थियो. The worship of Lord Shiva is famous. भगवान शिवको पूजा यहाँ प्रसिद्ध छ. There are so many such flowers. त्यहाँ यस्ता धेरै फुलहरू छन्. There are things beyond imagination. कल्पना भन्दा बाहिर पनि चीजहरू छन्. There are 2 shifts. त्यहाँ 2 शिफ्ट छन्. There is a bridge over the river. नदीमा त्यहाँ एउटा पुल छ. There is a saying that nothing is impossible. केही असम्भव छैन भन्ने उखानै छ. There is a slight chance of rain today. आज थोरै वर्षाको सम्भावना छ. There is a temple beyond this mountain. यो पहाड भन्दा पर एक मन्दिर छ. There is huge work pressure these days. आजकल कामको धेरै तनाव छ. There is no dearth of knowledge in this world. संसारमा ज्ञानको कुनै कमी छैन. There is no electricity in that village. त्यो गाउँमा बिजुली छैन. There is no flaw in your work. तपाईको काममा कुनै त्रुटि छैन. There is no joy in his life. उसको जीवनमा कुनै खुशी छैन. There is no money in his wallet. उसको वालेटमा पैसा छैन. There is nothing between us. हामी बीच केही छैन. There is something in your heart. तपाईको मनमा केही छ. There will be no one. त्यहाँ कोही पनि हुने छैन. These flowers don't fade. यी फुलहरू ओइलाउँदैनन्. They are on the way. तिनीहरू बाटोमा छन्. They are still very weak. तिनीहरू अझै धेरै कमजोर छन्. They are very happy and very proud. तिनीहरूलाई धेरै खुसी र गर्व छ. They need to be aware of the change. उनीहरूलाई परिवर्तनबारे सचेत हुन आवश्यक छ. They offer discounts to students. तिनीहरूले विद्यार्थीहरूलाई छुट दिन्छन्. Things are worsening day by day. दिन प्रतिदिन हालत बिग्रदैछ। थिङ्क अबाउट मी, मेरो बारेमा सोच। थिङ्क मेनी अ टाइम बिफोर मेकिङ फ्रेन्ड्स, साथी बनाउनु अघि धेरै पटक सोच्नुपर्छ। दिस एनिमल इज बिङ एक्सटिङ्क्ट, यो जनावर लोप हुँदैछ। दिस इज अ गुड एक्सक्युज, यो राम्रो बहाना हो। दिस इज अ रुमर, यो अफवाह हो। दिस इज एन इलिगल एक्ट, यो त गैरकानुनी काम हो। दिस इज माई लभ फर यु, यो तिम्रो लागि मेरो प्रेम हो। दिस इज नट योर्स, यो तिम्रो होइन। दिस इज आउट अफ माई कन्ट्रोल, यो मेरो नियन्त्रणमा छैन। दिस इज द भेरी बुक आई वान्ट, मलाई चाहिएको पुस्तक यही हो। दिस इज टु मच, यो त अति भो। इट इज रङ टु डु, यो गर्नु गलत हो। दिस मेडिसिन लेसन्ड माई पेन, यो औषधिले मेरो पीडा कम गर्यो। दिस मुभी इज वर्थ वाचिङ, यो फिल्म हेर्न लायकको छ। दिस स्टोरी इज समवन एल्सेस, यो कथा अरू कसैको हो। दिस वर्क इज टु बी डन, यो काम गर्नुपर्ने छ। थ्रु आउट द डे आई वाज बिजी, दिनभरि म व्यस्त थिएँ। टाई योर सुलेसिस, आफ्नो जुत्ताको तना बाँध। टाइम रन्स आउट भेरी क्विकली, समय एकदम चाँडो जान्छ। टाइम वेट्स फर नोन, समयले कसैलाई पर्खदैन। टु बी अनेस्ट आई स्टोल योर मनी, इमान्दार भएर भन्नुपर्दा मैले नै तपाईँको पैसा चोरेको हो। टु एक्सर्साइज एभ्री डे इज बेनिफिसियल फर आवर माइन्ड एन्ड बडी, दैनिक व्यायाम हाम्रो शरीर र दिमागका लागि फाइदाजनक हुन्छ। टु ब्याड भेरी ब्याड, धेरै नराम्रो। टु गुड भेरी नाइस, धेरै राम्रो। ट्रिम द ट्रिज इन योर ब्याकयार्ड, घर पछाडिको आँगनको रुखहरूलाई काटछाट गर। ट्रस्ट मी, मलाई विश्वास गर। ट्राई माई कोट अन, मेरो कोट लगाऊ। ट्राई टु रिल्याक्स एन्ड टेक इट इजी, आराम गर्दै सामान्य हुन कोसिस गर। ट्राई टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड, बुझ्ने कोसिस गर। टर्न अफ द कम्प्युटर, कम्प्युटर बन्द गर। अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड द डेलिकेसी अफ टाइम, समयको महत्त्व बुझ। अनलेस यु वर्क हार्ड यु विल नट बी एबल टु सक्सिड, परिश्रम नगरेसम्म तिमी सफल हुन सक्दैनौ। अनप्लग द फोन फ्रम चार्जिङ, फोनको चार्ज बन्द गर। अन्टिल यु कम आई विल वेट, तिमी नआउन्जेल म कुर्नेछु। युज योर ब्रेन, आफ्नो दिमाग प्रयोग गर। भेरी सिम्पल, एकदमै सजिलो छ। वेट फर मी, मेरा लागि प्रतीक्षा गर्नु। वेट आउटसाइड प्लिज, कृपया बाहिर पर्खनुहोस्। वेट अन्टिल योर फादर गेट्स होम, तिम्रो बुबा घरमा नआउन्जेल पर्ख। वास योर ह्यान्ड्स प्रोपरली, आफ्नो हात राम्रोसँग धुनुहोस्। वी अल आर विथ यु, हामी सबै तिमीसँगै छौँ। We all don't let him live. हामी सबै उसलाई बाँच्न दिदैनौँ. We all must learn English language. हामी सबैले अङ्ग्रेजी भाषा सिक्नुपर्छ. We always reach on time. हामी जहिले पनि समयमै पुग्छौँ. We are taking breakfast. हामी बिहानको खाजा खाँदैछौँ. We are too early. हामी धेरै चाँडो छौँ. It is a precious gift. यो उपहार अनमोल छ. We can't conceal the truth for a long. हामी सत्यलाई लामो समयसम्म लुकाउन सक्दैनौँ. We have lost our way. हामीले आफ्नो बाटो बिर्सियौँ. We have plenty of time. हामीसँग प्रशस्त समय छ. We still have the hope. हामीलाई अझै आशा थियो. We study at night. हामी राति पढ्छौँ. We took the dinner outside today. आज हामीले खाना बाहिर खायौँ. We will hire a taxi. हामी ट्याक्सी भाडामा लिनेछौँ. We will not do so. हामी त्यसो गर्दैनौँ. Wear your clothes. आफ्नो लुगा लगाऊ. What a clever suggestion. कस्तो शानदार सुझाव. What a fragrance. कस्तो मिठो सुगन्ध. What a girl she is. ऊ कस्तो खालको केटी होला. What a person you are. तिमी कस्तो खालको मान्छे हो. What are the effects of global warming? विश्व तापमान वृद्धिका प्रभावहरू के हुन्. What are the hours of supermarkets? सुपरमार्केट कति बजेदेखि कति बजेसम्म खुल्छ. What are the possible side effects? सम्भावित साइड इफेक्टहरू के हुन्.
That's great. The animals don't attack unless provoked. The blood is oozing from the wound. The days seem so long. The earth rounds the sun. The flood created havoc. The food is delicious. The fragrance of this flower is very nice. The front tire of the bike is punctured. The hardcover edition is much more expensive. The house was on fire. The list is quite long. The matter has become serious. The meeting continued for 5 hours. The movie has been declared a mega hit. The phone is ringing. The road is closed for repairs. The road is under repairing. The skin of my hands is wrinkled. The plane is late by 2 hours. The watch was repaired. The worship of Lord Shiva is famous. There are so many such flowers. There are things beyond imagination. There are 2 shifts. There is a bridge over the river. There is a saying that nothing is impossible. There is a slight chance of rain today. There is a temple beyond this mountain. There is huge work pressure these days. There is no dearth of knowledge in this world. There is no electricity in that village. There is no flaw in your work. There is no joy in his life. There is no money in his wallet. There is nothing between us. There is something in your heart. There will be no one. These flowers don't fade. They are on the way. They are still very weak. They are very happy and very proud. They need to be aware of the change. They offer discounts to students. Things are worsening day by day. Think about me. Think many a time before making friends. This animal is being extinct. This is a good excuse. This is a rumor. This is an illegal act. This is my love for you. This is not yours. This is out of my control. This is the very book I want. This is too much. It is wrong to do. This medicine lessened my pain. This movie is worth watching. This story is someone else's. This work is to be done. Throughout the day, I was busy. Tie your shoelaces. Time runs out very quickly. Time waits for none. To be honest, I stole your money. To exercise every day is beneficial for our mind and body. Too bad, very bad, too good, very nice. Trim the trees in your backyard. Trust me, try my coat on. Try to relax and take it easy. Try to understand. Turn off the computer. Understand the delicacy of time. Unless you work hard, you'll not be able to succeed. Unplug the phone from charging. Until you come, I'll wait. Use your brain. Very simple. Wait for me. Wait outside, please. Wait until your father gets home. Wash your hands properly. We all are with you. We all don't let him live. We all must learn English language. We always reach on time. We are taking breakfast. We are too early. It is a precious gift. We can't conceal the truth for long. We have lost our way. We have plenty of time. We still have the hope. We study at night. We took the dinner outside today. We will hire a taxi. We will not do so. Thank you for joining with me in this video lesson, and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming video lesson continuously. Keep suggesting us. See you soon.